Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate and coconut yummy. First, melt the chocolate on a double boiler and then add coconut oil, and shredded and sweetened coconut. To make it more sweet, add little bit of honey. Now I'll transfer them into molds. You can put some shredded coconut first and then pour the chocolate on top. Now I'll place them in the fridge until they are firm and then I'll take them out. This one with coconut. Thank you for watching and don't forget to share, like and subscribe.